periodically the power company sends there you are, sends a tree cutting company around to make sure their power lines are clear, and of course homeowners don't have anything to say about it, which, yeah, I can understand. I'm not complaining, just saying. And they are is that my hand? Oh, it probably is. And they are on the street today. I'll show you a tree of ours they're gonna be looking at here pretty quick. It's an old silver leaf maple. Doesn't produce any appreciable amount of sap, but it's a pretty tree, especially in the summer. Well, and the fall. So I'm going to do some before and after pictures. Right now they're more or less you'll see across the street. So we'll start there and then pan around to our place and the pine tree. They'll be working that. There's our house, that's where our son is staying. And then over this way. Let me do it this way, because we got the sun coming right down in there. I don't know if they'll do much work today here or not. The son's car is snowed in, so. But anyway, you can see that oak. It's got the little oak just kind of sprouted there. That's within 10 feet. They may take that whole thing down. And then this pine tree here, this first pine tree, some of those branches come within 10. I don't know if they'll take the branches of the whole tree. Actually, I wouldn't mind if they took all of them, because they're going to have to come down eventually anyway. You can see that first one there, right near where we park our cars, is not in good shape. We'll take that down at some point, probably this summer, if I can get the money together. Anyway, there you have it. I'll take some after pictures after. So here we are about a week later at the house, and we'll take a look at what they did in terms of cutting some of the branches off the trees around the power lines here. Well, doesn't look too bad. They trimmed one leader off right there, you can see. Well, maybe you can see right kind of in the center of things, but that's not too bad. They did good. They didn't destroy my son's car, which is snowed in, as you can see. They did take, did they? Anyway, let's see, there's a couple other small branches that were coming out there on the side they took, but all in all, not too bad. And of course, then we'll grow back again, probably more. You know, nature will take care of it. You can see though, I think, of course, this isn't sugar maple, so you'd never tap something like this, but yeah, that's not just a little ice cube there. Oh, I lost it, darn. Yeah, that's sap. Not much sweetness there, but they might take that oak, but I guess they decided it wasn't close enough to anything. That's all right. Okay, well, it wasn't too bad. I remember years ago when they had first cut that tree off. I come home and oh my gosh, it was like it was half gone. Well, you can see there it's kind of not a real typical tree shape, but it's not bad. It'll provide some shade. We got to get some of those pieces taken off from the part that overhangs the house anyway at some point. Well, all right. See you again at some point.